Hey guys, so welcome to this course, and in this Python course we are going to learn about various concepts like I'll give you a detailed lookout below. So let's begin. At first we have integers, then we'll learn about floats, then we'll learn about boolean, then we have string here, then we have list, and after that we have dictionary here, and after that we have tuples. After that we have decision making. Decision making comprises of three things like if else statement, then if statement, and elif statement. So this one is if statement. After that we have if else, then we have elif statement here, and after that we also have concepts like loops, and as you know that there are different loops like while loops, and after that we have for loop. Once we finish this, we will take a brief look about strings. Here you can see different data manipulation techniques using string. Then we have lists here, and here as you can see that we have different data manipulation techniques of list here, and we have also created different data manipulation techniques using tuples. And once we finish tuples, we have dictionaries here. Dictionaries are generally key value pair, and here we were doing different data manipulation technique of dictionaries. Once we finish all the data type, then we'll move out to a new concept which is called functions. And as you all know that functions are reusable components, so they are really important for us. And here we are showing about single argument based function. Then this one is without any argument. Then we have this function where we have created two argument. After that we have multiple argument of the function. So once we finish the basics, then we'll move into Python advanced concepts. So in advanced concepts, we'll check out lambda functions. Lambda functions are generally anonymous functions, which are generally very useful for us. Say machine learning, then data science, then advanced programming or web-based programming. Everywhere you will need lambda functions. So we'll check out how to do lambda function using multiple arguments. And once we finish the lambda function part, then we'll move on to new concepts, which is object-oriented programming concepts. And in object-oriented programming concepts, we'll check out class, like how to create class. Then we'll check out how to create an object. Then we'll check out different techniques like init, which is a constructor in Python. Then we'll check out how to assign the values, say name and age in this case. Once we finish this part, then we'll move on to defining the methods. So as you can see in this example, we are defining the methods. Methods are generally functions which we use in case of class. Once we finish the object-oriented part, then we'll check out Python iterators. And as you can see in this example, we have created one iterator, and after that we'll check out how to manipulate iterators by using loop. Then in the next part we have creating an iterator. So in this example we are checking out about how to create an iterator using different class and definitions. So this is one example, as you can see, and this will be the output that we'll get. After finishing the iterator part, we'll move across JSON. So JSON is a very important concept in Python, and when you deal with API, JSON will be the most important thing that you'll need, because API is generally, the language of API is either JSON or XML. So we'll check out about how to import JSON and how to load the JSON files and how to check out the different values of the JSON files. We'll also check out about how to convert the Python into JSON objects, and as you can see here, this one is a Python object, and we convert them into JSON by using this dumps method. And in this below example, we are checking out JSON using different data types. So as you can see here, name, John, age. Then we have apple, bananas, which are string value. The upper one is dictionary. As you can see here, key and value is here. Then we have integer value also here. Then we have floats here. Then we have boolean value here. True and false is generally considered as boolean values. Once we finish the JSON part, and here you can see another example about the same JSON object using different data types. So once we finish these concepts, we'll check out about one new concept, which is also known as regex. So this library is generally used for searching different patterns in string-based files. So here is one example, as you can see. Then we have another one example of using various techniques like re.search. Then we have re.findAll, and here we are showing about how to search a white space by applying this one. After that, we'll also check the subfunction, and here these functions are really important for regex. After finishing this part, we'll move on to exception handling. And in exception handling, we'll check out different methods, like for example, try, then accept, and else. Then we'll also check out about how to use try, then accept, and finally. Then we'll check out one example where we'll type uh, different typecasting values of try, then accept, and finally. And once we finish these concepts, we'll also check out about how to raise an exception. So as you can see here, that we have created one exception. After this, I have created another exception here, which is type error. So these are the concepts that you will learn through this course, and I have also created few quiz which is really interesting, and I'll also suggest you to try out the quizzes as it will increase your learning curve. And the quizzes comprises of different concepts based on this only, and I really think that you will gain a lot of knowledge from this course. So I really hope that you guys will love this course. Thank you and have a great day ahead.